Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can make use of AI to create a professional website in minutes. So we're going to look at a different platform now, and we'll see how very easily, because of the AI improvements, advancement, which has happened now, you can also build out websites really fast. So a lot of platforms have come up which helps you build out websites with the help of AI technology. So let's look at one of such website, which is going to be Hostinger. So if you come to Hostinger, you can sign up for their plan, okay, which you can get with a very reasonable rates, okay, and this will allow you to build out your website. They have a website builder option, which is AI powered. Okay, so either you can build your website on WordPress through Hostinger, which can be a completely manual process, or if you want to quickly start off with your business, you can make use of their website builder, which is AI generated. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Once you log into this, you take up a plan, you will come to their page where it will allow you to create a website in minutes. So we can start creating from here. We can give the website type. So we are going to say over here, let's say specifically, so what we are creating out here is going to be a, let's say, digital advertising coaching business. So we are going to choose something similar to that. Okay. So we are going to say, let's say other, and we're going to say ads mastery hub. Okay. And we're going to give some information about this business. Give as much information as you can so that it becomes extra information will be used by the AI tool, and it will help in creating the website in a much more effective manner. So now that we have given all the information that what is the nature of business we are into, we can ask it to create the website. It's going to generate the website based on the content we have provided, the website URL we have given. So now it's picking up on those and building it out for us. So you can see all the information which we have given is just the information regarding the website, the business which we are trying to build. Now the complete AI tool is building it out for us in different manners. So now you can see the website has been created, which is master your ad skills, empower your digital advertising journey, join here. Okay. So like this, it has created expert advertising coaching, which has been built out. Okay. You can also see different types of sections over here. And then the social media handles, your contact information can be here. So this whole template has been created. They've also created different tabs for it. So for courses specifically, these are the courses which are running right here. Okay, the community which you talked about. So you can talk about the community over here, how people can join it. Your contact information is here, which has been created now. Okay, all that is up here. And now you have the option wherein you can go ahead and edit this furthermore, customize it. Okay, make it much more specific to what you are providing. So you can go to the edit section and you can do that. So you can see how easily we are now able to build out website customized to our business by giving the right information on the platform. So this is how we're going to build out websites as well. And similarly, there are a lot of other platforms which you can use, which are AI powered in the same manner.